This is Johnny with Rotomatic here at 19 Canary Court, taking a look at the sewer line. We've got SDR pipe. The tap to the city main is in good condition. The main is also SDR 35. We are 112 feet out to the main. I have water running right now just to see if there's any bellies or slope issues. I don't believe there is. There is no root intrusion, no major offsets. No obstructions, very little buildup on the walls of the pipe from grease, and then no collapsing or other damage to the pipe during install. The fittings are all glued, and I would say this line will give another 40 plus years of service without much maintenance. But good news is that we have a clean out accessible now. Just need to make sure it's not covered over by landscaping. So any questions, give me a call, but we got a clear report.